Imagine a civilization so powerful they carved homes into mountains and believed no one could defeat them. They said, "Who is mightier than us in strength?" But then came a wind, not ordinary, but furious, roaring, and divine. This is the story of the nation of Ad and Prophet Hud alayhi salam. The people of Ad lived in the land of Ahqaf, between Yemen and Oman. They were known for their tall, strong bodies, engineering, and architectural greatness. But their strength made them arrogant, and their hearts turned to idol worship and corruption. So Allah sent Prophet Hud alayhi salam from among them to call them back to truth. Hud alayhi salam said, "O my people, worship Allah. You have no God but Him." Surah Hud 50. But they mocked him. "Do you tell us to leave what our fathers worshipped? You're just foolish." Hud alayhi salam replied with wisdom, "I am not foolish. I am a messenger from the Lord of the worlds." Surah Al-A'raf 67 to 68. Still they were too proud to listen. Hud alayhi salam warned them again and again. "Do you build palaces as if you will live forever? Do you commit injustice without fear?" They said, "Who is stronger than us?" Allah responded in the Qur'an, "Did they not see that Allah, who created them, is stronger than them?" Surah Fusilat 15. First came drought. The sky withheld its rain. The earth cracked, the crops died. Still, they didn't turn back. Then they saw a dark cloud approaching. They shouted with joy, "Here comes the rain!" But they didn't know. It was the beginning of their end. Allah sent upon them a fierce, roaring wind, a punishment like no other. We unleashed upon them a screaming wind for 7 nights and 8 days in a row. Surah Al-Haqqah 7. It tore through their buildings. It threw bodies like uprooted palm trunks. In the end, nothing was left but silence and ruins. Only Hud alayhi salam and those who believed were saved. They left the city before the wind arrived. Hud remained patient and steadfast, even when mocked. He trusted Allah, and he was delivered. The nation of Ad was strong, wealthy, and advanced, but their arrogance led to destruction. That was Ad. They denied the signs of their Lord, disobeyed his messenger, and followed every tyrant. So they were followed in this world by a curse. Surah Hud 59 to 60. Their story is a reminder. No power, no kingdom, and no nation can stand against the will of Allah. What remains of Ad? Only sand, ruins, and a warning.